Hello, I'm Chad Miller from Seago Tools, and I'm here today to introduce the next generation Duratomic for turning of iron. We are launching two new grades this fall, named TK0501 and TK1501, that are designed to cover ISO K application areas. TK0501 is harder and more wear resistant, designed for longer times in cut where mass amounts of heat will be generated. TK1501 is tougher of the two and will withstand more demanding and interrupted turning applications. We will also add a new chip breaker named MR9, which will be available just shortly after the launch. And of course, both grades will incorporate our latest textured aluminum oxide coating along with our used edge detection. We now control more of the aluminum oxide crystal growth orientation than ever before, which makes the inserts even more wear resistant. We have also added a post-coating process that includes residual stresses to the insert, which in fact adds even more toughness to the coating than past generations. With the added toughness and wear resistance of TK0501 and TK1501, the grades cover all of our Seago material groups, K1 through K7. So whether you're turning simple gray iron such as G2500 or machining an austenitic nodular iron, the new TK grades have been designed to cover all the abrasive iron groups. Here's an example of the higher wear resistance of TK0501 when compared to TK1001. As you can see from the insert photos, TK1001 has much more crater wear at only 17 pieces than does TK0501 at 30 pieces. So here we've nearly doubled the tool life with less wear. As you know, our former TK grades, TK1001 and TK2001, were black in color, and it was difficult for an operator to identify wear. With the addition of the chrome coating, this has alleviated the issue. Now, there are numerous ways to find cutting data for TK inserts. One is to simply use the information printed on the packaging. If you really want to dial in and optimize your cutting process, I recommend using My Pages. Now, to wrap up our 2016-2 Duratomic launch, we will have 250 combinations of inserts stocked and available, two new grade options for the customer, a tougher grade for more demanding applications called TK1501, and then a harder, more wear-resistant grade named TK0501. I'm Chad Miller, and thanks for watching. And as always, for any questions, please contact your local sales rep or contact our technical support team. Thanks again.